Experience driving perfection in the 2020 Ram 1500. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, such as remote keyless entry, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a leather steering wheel, an automatic dimming rearview mirror, automatic dimming door mirrors, a trailer hitch, a bed liner, and power windows. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.